Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature Mr. Quickie Repair franchise business ideas. Mr. Quickie started in 1981 when Mr. Emiliano R. Caruncho III noticed that a number of shoe cobblers was around in a famous mall way back then. He then discovered the need for highly skilled restorers of shoes and bags. A repair shop that you can be trusted with a legacy of good craftsmanship in quick and very accessible way that can be found in one place with the name Mr. Quickie. In 1995, the leadership was entrusted to his son Mr. Emiliano Caruncho IV. That was when Mr. Quickie aims to expand its number of shops by awarding franchisee to aspiring Filipino entrepreneurs. The number of the shops continued to multiply and helped many entrepreneurs through its franchise program. Today, it has reached more than 200 shops nationwide and still continuously growing. As they continue to innovate and meet the needs of its loyal customers, new services were added such as rubber stamping, embroidery, and clothing alteration. Through the inclusion of these new services, Mr. Quickie attained the recognition as a one-stop quick repair shop. Today, Mr. Quickie is still the #1 brand when it comes to quality yet affordable repair for shoes and bags, quick and accurate key duplication. Their vision: to be the premier provider of quick, useful, innovative, convenient, practical, affordable, superior, and world-class quality products and services that will achieve the highest level of customer satisfaction available in convenient and accessible locations in the Philippines and in Asia. Their products: shoe repair. They install, replace half-sole protector, replace full sole, replace midsole or heel, replace top lift or top piece, replace or install strap, replace plastic heel, replace insole, replace top lift with screw, leather and canvas shoe dyeing. For bag services, they install or repair handle, change zipper, install or replace lining or piping, replace handle, replace side release, replace slider, replace zipper, replace wheels, replace footmate, leather bag dyeing, edge sealing, bag cleaning, and all type of key duplication. They also offer locksmith services, opening of all types of locks, combination lock opening, rekeying of all types of locks, and vault opening. Other product and services: rubber stamping, gadget case holding, watch and sandals strap holding, front and heel support, height enhancer, high arc support, flat-footed support, and odor buster. Why franchise a Mr. Quickie shop? Number 1. Your investment is secured. Mr. Quickie has been in the business since 1981 and has been franchising since 1995. Number 2. Mr. Quickie continues the legacy of providing quality service to the growing demands of their market by offering quality products and services and ensure continuous research to provide innovation in technology and market trends. Number 3. Mr. Quickie has been a household icon in providing the repair needs of the family members. Number 4. Mr. Quickie shop only requires small space which will be cheaper for you to invest. Number 5. They can operate in 12 square meter area. The construction cost is very minimal. Number 6. Zero spoilage. Inventory is not perishable. Number 7. Their shop is located strategically per city or region, guaranteed good number of target market. And number 8, their machines are built to last up to 10 years. They provide machine repairs and maintenance. They offer flexible in-house payment terms, an affordable world-class quality of repair for shoes and bags which made their brand became a household name, and 360-degree marketing and training support. For the franchise package, the franchise fee is worth 600,000 pesos. The total investment is 2.5 million to 3 million. The projected ROI period is from 2 to 3 years. The franchise term is 4 years. And for the renewal, 50% of the prevailing franchise fee. And the royalty fee is 8% gross sales per month. They also offered in-house financing loan. Initial stock is 3 months. For the machine, 6 months with 0% interest. 12 months for 12% interest. And 24 months with 24% interest. Franchise package fee for Metro Manila. For Mr. Quickie package, the franchise fee is worth 600,000 pesos. The machinery is worth 1 million pesos. The cash band is worth 25,000 pesos with the royalty fee of 7% monthly and the advertising fee of 1% monthly with the term of 4 years. And the minimum space requirement is 10 square meter. For the Mr. Quickie Plus franchise package, the franchise fee is worth 450,000 pesos. For the machinery, 1.1 million pesos. For the cash band is worth 25,000 pesos with the royalty fee of 7% monthly and advertising fee of 1% monthly with the franchise term of 4 years, and the minimum space requirement is 20 square meter. For the Mr. Quickie shop design, countertop, the average floor area of 10 to 14 square meters. The construction days will be from 15 to 21 days. Ideal for smaller areas like mini-mart, mall, supermarket, etc. The parlor or walk-in type. The average floor area is 15 to 25 square meter with the front waiting area for 3 to 4 customers. And the construction days is from 21 to 30 days. For the kiosk type or stand-alone type, the average floor area is 12.5 square meters. And the construction days is from 10 to 15 days. The kiosk type is ideal for limited areas like transport stations, MRT, LRT, and wet market. For the franchise procedure, be a part of their growing family. To start your business with them, submit a letter of intent, accomplished application form, and submit location of proposed site. For the contact details, please contact Mr. Quickie Corporation with the address Eusebio Avenue, Barangay San Miguel, Pasig City. You can send them an email at marketing@mrquickie.com. You can visit their website at mrquickie.com. You can visit their Facebook page at mrquickie.ph. You may call their landline number 8671-9542 or 8534-3492 or 8650-9849. Their fax number is 8671-9541. For the frequently asked questions. Question number 1. What are your financing programs? Answer: they can help you through in-house financing program or through BPI Kanegosyo program. Question number 2. Can you help me locate a site for my shop? Answer: yes, they are happy to assist you in finding one. Question number 3. How many days will it take before my shop becomes operational? Answer: normally the preparation for the training, construction, and installation of the equipment will only take about 21 to 45 days. Question number 4. How many years will it take before I get my investment? Answer: at an average, it will only take 1 to 3 years. Question number 5. How long is the training period? Answer: the training period for zapatero is 30 days while 15 days for cashier. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the franchise of Mr. Quickie Repair franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.